In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Asana with Outlook using Zapier, a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps without requiring any coding skills. This integration will allow you to automatically create tasks in Asana every time you receive a new email in Outlook, thereby streamlining your workflow and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zapier website. Zapier is an automation platform that allows you to connect different applications, enabling them to work together in ways you might not have imagined possible. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll need to either sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Having an account is essential as it lets you create what's called a zap. A zap is essentially an automated workflow that connects your apps. With that sorted, the next step is to create a new zap. Look for a button that prompts you to initiate a new zap. It's usually prominently displayed for ease of access. Now think of the trigger of this zap, which in this case will be a new email received in Outlook. Select Outlook as your app in the trigger setup, and then specify the action, which is the reception of a new email. This sets the stage for automatically generating tasks in Asana whenever you receive an email in Outlook. Next, it's time to set up the action part of your zap. In Zapier's terms, the action is what happens after your trigger occurs. For this, you'll select Asana as your action app. In the actions list for Asana, choose Create Task, which is what we ultimately want to achieve, having an email in Outlook initiate the creation of a task in Asana. The following step is about mapping your fields. This is where a bit of customization comes in handy to make your integration truly work for you. You'll want to input details such as the subject of the email becoming the title of your task in Asana, and the email body filling in the task description. Attachments, should you have any, can often be forwarded as well, ensuring all relevant information is included in the task right from the start. This fine-tuning allows you to capture the full context of the email in your Asana task, reducing back and forth between apps. With all these elements in place, the final touch is to turn on your Zap. By enabling it, you activate this powerful new workflow. It's a set it and forget it arrangement, meaning you only need to set this up once, and then it runs automatically, saving you time and keeping you organized. And there you have it, a seamless connection between Outlook and Asana through Zapier. This integration is a game changer, ensuring you keep on top of your emails by directly transforming them into actionable tasks without missing a beat. Thanks for joining in today, and happy automating.